Well, there it is, sat on 19. Midland 2001. Quite extensive things if you saw it. So let's see whether Mr. Chippie's out there on channel 31. Looks to be quite a lot of background noise today. We'll see how it fares. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, do you copy?
Tango 21, go ahead.
Right, we're recording, everything's fine.
Roger that. Right, just coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane.
Roger. Right, we're now passing Ancaster service station.
Roger, got you at Ancaster service station. Do you have a fairy tale on the price?
Yeah, petrol's 163.9 and I think diesel said it was 179.9.
Roger.
Right, we're now going through Ancaster Crossroads. Over.
Roger, got you at Ancaster Crossroads.
Now passing the top of the hill, go down in towards Wilford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. And 21 Chippie, now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilford. Over.
Roger, got you going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on a Midland 2001 from 1982 and it's doing a full 4 watts over.
Roger that, I'll repeat.
Excellent.
Right, now going over the level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing. Roger, got you at the Kelby turn. So that's his 4 mile point. Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn. Now that's our worst one, that's the 5 mile point. Remember, this test is deliberately done in our worst possible direction and it's the wrong side of a hill. I'm sure you said I'm going over Scratchy Corner level crossing. Yeah, got you going over Rawsby level crossing, also known as Greyleys level crossing. And that concludes the test, thank you. Okay, 10-10. So, yeah, I mean, this set, what was it, 0.89 microvolts. Not as sensitive as some sets. But as I say, it's a competent set, and the received clarity, you know, but with comparison to today's sets, you've got a bigger speaker. You've got, I think the filtering's more suited, even though people moaned at the time about about desensing on these sets. But we're not in those eras of every other house having a CB radio anymore, and there you are. So that was on the Chizer microphone as supplied. So I'm going to do it with the customer's own microphone, and then we'll do it with our standard replacement microphone, so you can hear the difference if there is one. So we'll go over to our Harrier CBHQ base station, and we'll see how it sounds. Tango 21, testing the customer's Midland 2001 radio into our Harrier CBHQ base station. Testing 54321 12345. This is with the customer's supplied microphone, which is branded Chizer. Now we'll test it with a standard replacement mic. Tango 21 testing with the standard replacement mic, 12345 54321.
and thanks for watching.